What's up, locas? We're doing the very fun, very versatile, very exciting challenge, which is trying Bella Swan's meal plan. Eating like Bella Hadid. Eating like Bella Swan for 24 hours, which is why I am wearing Bella-inspired outfit. Even set up some props for you guys. I don't play around when it comes to Twilight. I have done my research, I have done my homework, I know exactly what she eats. This is a very book-accurate representation. I've got receipts. This will probably end up being a series. If I end up eating like Bella Hadid and New Moon, I'll literally be eating nothing. Dust and oxygen. Twilight is my childhood. Twilight was actually my first obsession when I was a child. I need to find the pictures of me going to the premiere in my small little town. The only people at the premiere was me and my best friend. We were like 8 years old or 10, I don't know. I had a t-shirt, I had a keychain, I had everything. Oh, the memories. I'm even exposing my forehead, I mean 5 head, in Bella's honor today. If Bella Swan was a mother, she would be an almond mother. Yes. I could never relate to a diet less than Bella Swan's diet, to be honest. She has zero appetite. She lives on Pop-Tarts at some point. I don't think it's in the first book, but later on, girlie was like microwaving Pop-Tarts and calling it a day for the entire day. Today we're doing a proper meal plan. At the start of Twilight, she was actually eating. This song is my jam. In the club, we all fam. Oh, I know you know the lyrics. Sing with me. Ha 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 ha. When I woke, I was still tired, but edgy as well. Breakfast was the usual quiet event I expected. Charlie fried eggs for himself. I had my bowl of cereal. Bella loves her cereal, and so do I. I haven't had cereal in 1 year because I was so obsessed with the flavor. And I'm also lactose intolerant, so let's have some fun. This beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on a disco stick. A fun fact, actually really sad fact. I do milk first. I feel like I need to be awkward and silent for this. Good soup. Oh, cut the cameras, dead us. Take whatever you want, he said, pushing the tray toward me. I'm curious, I said as I picked up an apple, turning it around in my hands. What would you do if someone dared you to eat food? Okay guys, we have a side quest. I am going to research about the cold ones. I'm actually gonna go on Google Scholar and see. The cold ones. The one called variable revision. No way! I don't believe it! The website actually exists. I am mind blown. Mind blown, you got. But obviously it exists. The fandom, the Twilight fandom is absolutely insane, so obviously it exists, but I don't know why. This is my favorite video I've ever filmed in my life. I saw that Kristen Stewart wants to make a new Twilight movie, and honestly, hi, I'm free. Female Edward, hello. Source of the China, cold-skinned. This is epic news. This is absolutely wow. I've been studying and editing, working from home today. Like, Bella's outside way too much. For somebody that's quite introverted. Actually, no. Bella's extroverted. What do you think? Do you think Bella's introverted or extroverted? Because she hates being home alone and she always like clings to Jacob in the second book. I don't know. Anyways, for today's lunch, we're going to eat an apple. Edible art, yo! I got an apple, I got a pen. I hope you wash your apples before you eat them, because I know I do. What a nutritious meal. To be fair, living in Scotland is Twilight. Hoa, hoa, hoa. Are you ready to order? She asked Edward. Bella? He asked. She turned unwillingly toward me. I picked up the first thing I saw on the menu. I'll have the mushroom ravioli. Well, you can't spell Edelina without Ed. Found the ravioli. Actually, should I smell it? Oh, it's so cold. For dinner, we're going to make the iconic mushroom ravioli. I just had to do the mushroom ravioli. It's too iconic to miss out on it. Also put on my baby blue shirt to match Bella's vibe, because she wears a blue shirt when she's on a date with Edward, because it's his favorite shirt and whatever. Yeah, let's go make food. I'm gathering the ingredients for the mushroom ravioli, but I wanted to show you. My family doesn't play around when it comes to apples. Yeah, I have to go outside to pick up onions. Ugh. From this shed. This is where we keep the onion. There better be onion. I actually can't see anything. Onion? Where are you? Who said I can't wear my Converse? That's just me. You take the man out of them. Back in Chicago, I feel it. Something more. It's dinner time. This is my setup. Oh wow. Wow. Population 1,820 people. Bella didn't need Edward. Bella needed this. This. When I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. All done. I'm going to do my skincare night routine, read some books. Yeah, I don't know what else, but that was really good. Thank you for watching. Love you. Like, subscribe, shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but thank you for watching. I really had a lot of fun doing this video. I want to do more. Let me know if there's other people that you want me to eat like.